What's up, you guys? Sky Kimi here, or you can call me Skyzilla, Skyfire, or Skyra, what the hell you're going to call me right now. And today I'm going to make this video about this idiot named The Dark Truth About Dogs. Rexy Van, no, not Rexy Van, Rexy West 2018 told me about this, and she's making, videos about nonsense. Nonsense about animals. About sharks, alligators, or crocodiles, lions, and every animals. She calls them disgusting and mean. I mean, they always find they're attacking us. They always find some of them attacking us because they're defending themselves. That's why. I mean, this girl, or I don't know what gender it is, this motherfucker don't know anything about animals. And I'm going to show you about this comment. Hold on. Here's one of the comments of Rexy Kane. He said, "What about dinosaurs? Are they evil?" And I know what she's going to say. Yes. She's freaking dumb. Not all dinosaurs are not evil. Not all of them. Are you freaking dumb? So yeah, go check her channel out and go make response or whatever the hell you're going to do right now. And we all want this girl to be gone. She's way worse than Rexy Fan. Or Moose Tank, whatever. She's way worse. Everybody hates her. So yeah, go check her channel out and go subscribe to Rexy Fan 2018 in the description down below. And yeah, this is Sky Kinui. Peace out.